Countdown is on to the official 2023 fishing opener. The lakes open up to anglers at 12:01 a.m.
All right. See if any of the big girls are eating this morning. See if the pigs are out to eat. Starting off with a swim jig, and we're gonna see where we can go from here. See what we can figure out. Oh, son of a, dang it. Just lost them. First miss. Just barely hit it. Didn't get good hook set on them. Got him. Come on. Get in here. All right. Nice fish. All right. Putting something together here. Here we go. First fish of 2023. Or I guess first bass of 2023. Wasn't even recording. But, little guy. What a big one. All right. Man, did I miss this so much. I had such the itch. And boy, we're scratching it today on opener. That's two fish in the bag, so let's get after it here. Again, using just a little swim jig here. A little more green pumpkin, a little bit of brown and red on this trailer here. Need the pliers. Not the biggest fish, but we'll take them. Man, that feels good. Let's go. You guys got to bear with me here. I'm still trying to get the angles right back here. It's just a small 14.5-foot boat, so I don't have a ton of room to play. So give me a break. Little nicer. Little nicer. Slight upgrade. Slight upgrade. Again, just on the swim jig. Holy cripes. Fish on. Fish on. Come on, be a nicer one. Clip that. Not a bad one. Not a great one, that's for sure. Going back. Not a big one by any means again. Kind of around the same size. Seems like I'm catching a lot of males. I mean, they're not that big, but might try a new spot here in a little bit and try and find those big girls. So we'll see what we can do. Fish on. Fish on. Let's go. Another billy. Is it? biggest of the day. Not the biggest one, but probably the biggest of the day. We're gonna switch spots here soon. Should be holding a little bit bigger fish. Other than that, man, this feels good. All right, switch to the jig worm to slow it down a little bit. And we already got one on. First cast. Does not feel big whatsoever. But we'll see. Oh my gosh. Gee. What a giant. Switch spots and we get smaller. What the world? Another guy. Please be. Feels a little bit better. Not much. Actually, no. Not at all. The Dink Factory. What a morning. Oh, nicer. Much nicer. Much nicer. Much nicer than what we have been catching. That's for sure. Now that is what we're looking for. What a morning, what an opener, what a start to a year. Can't wait to take you guys along with it. Another one. Old Doink Fest. The boys are chomping. Literally the boys, because those are doink males. Be bigger. And it's not. Gee. All right. Come on. Nice fish. Nice fish. Looking for the big ones though. But man, it just feels good to catch them. The loons are even telling you, please subscribe. Fish on, fish on. Come on. Fish on. Be nicer. Ooh, nice fish. Nice fish. Nice fish. That's what we're after. That's nicer. Oh, I missed him. Nice fish. Let's go, baby. Nice fish. That's what we're talking about. These beautiful fish. Nice and healthy. Let's get them back. Let's go. Got him. Oh, you. Oh, dirty little rat. Just a little rat. These are called snakes, snot rockets, piss missiles, stank bombs, whatever you want to call them. Unreal. Didn't even know I had a fish. It felt like a weed. I went right through a little bit of grass. Did not even think I had a fish. I didn't say anything. I didn't think I had a fish. All right, another one on the board. Fish. Fish. Nicer fish. Nicer-ish. There we go. Another nice one. Healthy fish, we'll put it that way. Just been crushing them with this swim jig here. A little bit of a smaller trailer and just absolutely hammering. All right, guys, we're back at the cabin, just threw the boat on. Just a great first day of opener, just being able to get out, catch some bass. The big play this morning was the swim jig and then also the jig worm as well. Those were two big factors that I caught a lot of fish on. Not a lot of big size, but we can try again. Appreciate you guys tuning in. I really do. Please hit that subscribe button. Appreciate you. We'll talk to you soon. All right, I'm gonna walk over to my parents' cabin. I'm staying at my girlfriend's, but we're gonna walk over to my parents' cabin because, well, they put the hammer down on a couple walleyes. They definitely didn't clean the lake out, but they got 2 walleyes, and then they're cleaning some crappies as well. So we're gonna walk over there and see what they're doing. And just like that, ladies and gentlemen, we are back home. I hope you all had a very safe and successful fishing opener, whether you're going for walleyes, bass, no matter what it was. Hope it was successful. And also, if you weren't in Minnesota, keep on fishing. Also, just want to wish a very belated Mother's Day to all of those mothers out there. We had to get going a little bit early on Sunday for those activities. But thank you all so much for making it to the end of the video. Appreciate you.